Florence's biggest achievement. Florence woke up feeling both excited and nervous. It was the day her exam results would be announced. She had studied for months and spent many evenings reading books, solving practice questions, and reviewing her notes. There were times when she felt tired and wanted to stop, but she reminded herself why she had started. Her dream was to pass the difficult exam and move one step closer to her future career. When she arrived at school, many students were talking about the results. Some looked confident, while others seemed worried. Florence tried to stay calm, but her heart was beating fast. A teacher finally posted the results on the notice board. Students rushed forward to check their names. Florence took a deep breath and slowly walked closer. She looked carefully at the list. Then she saw her name. She had passed the exam with excellent marks. For a few seconds, she could hardly believe it. A big smile appeared on her face, and her eyes filled with happy tears. All the long hours of studying and hard work had finally paid off. Her friends quickly gathered around her and congratulated her. They were proud of her success because they had seen how hard she had worked. Florence thanked them for their support and encouragement. She also called her parents right away. They were overjoyed and told her how proud they were. That evening, the family celebrated with a special dinner at her favorite restaurant. They laughed, shared stories, and talked about her future plans. Before going to bed, Florence thought about her journey. She remembered the days when she felt discouraged and the nights when she stayed up late to prepare. Passing the exam was not just about getting good grades. It was proof that patience, determination, and regular effort can lead to success. Florence knew that new challenges were waiting for her, but she also knew she was ready to face them. She promised herself to keep learning, work even harder, and never stop believing in her abilities. That unforgettable day gave her confidence and reminded her that every dream becomes possible when you refuse to give up.